I'm Nichola from LaBLiFe. I'm filming today on location at MkIII University, and in this video we are going to be unboxing the compact ripple tank from Lascells. Okay, so let's have a look. So first off, we have got the mains plug, which we're going to use to power the unit. And then if we get the rest out of the box, here it is. There we are. So to open it, we have to come to the front and lift it up, and then inside you can see we've got lots of extra bits. So we have got the water tank, which fits snugly in the unit here, and then we have also got 3 plastic shapes which are made out of nice thick plastic. Take quite a lot to break one of those, I think, so they're going to have a nice long lifetime in your lab. You can see that we've got this kind of truncated triangle shape and 2 little lenses with concave and convex sides. And then we've also got this nice foam surround storage thing for the rest of the bits that you get with it. So you can see that we've got this plane wave dipper here, we've got a single point source dipper here and a twin point source dipper here. We've also got 2 little L-shaped metal plates and this curved metal plate here. So with all of these bits and bobs, you'll be able to observe and investigate lots of different wave phenomena, including reflection, refraction, diffraction and interference. So for this standalone unit, it is really like a little powerhouse. And for the amount that it costs, you do get quite a lot for your money. This has sold really well already into UK schools, so if you have one in your school already, please let us know in the comments what you think about it. I'm going to be making lots more content with this particular unit, so do stay tuned for that. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.